myself Shweta Gohil and welcome to the session of Microwave and Radar Engineering once again. Today we will see microwave tubes which are used for generation and amplification of microwaves. So in today's session we will see two cavity klystron and difference between two cavity klystron and reflex klystron, and last I'll give you some assignment questions. Now let us move upon to the next topic, which is two cavity klystron. The working principle of two cavity klystron is same as reflex klystron. The construction diagram of two cavity klystron is like this. As the name suggests, there are two cavities. The first cavity is known as buncher cavity or input cavity, and the another cavity is known as catcher cavity or output cavity. Electrons injected from the cathode and reach with the uniform velocity till the buncher cavity. The input RF signal is given at input cavity and output signal collected from the output cavity. There is a gap in both the cavity. These gaps are known as microwave interaction region. In the first cavity, the velocity of electrons modulated by input RF signal present in the first cavity, this is known as velocity modulation. It formulates the bunching of electrons, and passing through the catcher cavity, the current modulation takes place in the catcher cavity. After passing the second cavity, all electrons lose their kinetic energy to the microwave fields. They will be collected by collectors because of the reduction of the velocity. This is how two cavity klystron works. The main purpose of two cavity klystron is to amplify microwave signal. Now let us see some of the difference between two cavity klystron and reflex klystron. Two cavity klystron has buncher cavity and catcher cavity, but in reflex klystron there is only one cavity. And this cavity works as buncher cavity as well as catcher cavity. In two klystron, the collector used to collect the electrons, whereas in reflex klystron, the repeller plate used in place of collector and used to repel the electron beam. The main purpose of two cavity klystron is to amplify the microwave signal, and main purpose of reflex klystron is to oscillate microwave signal. So that's about today's topic. Let's have some assignment questions. First question is, what do you mean by klystron? Second, explain reflex klystron. Next, explain construction and working of reflex klystron. Explain Applegate diagram and explain two cavity klystron. That's all for today's session. Keep watching for more sessions. Thank you very much.
If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJPEC, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast.